Hey gorgeous, welcome back to Ageless Crown, the channel where we prove week after week that turning 50 isn't the finish line, it's the starting line. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming in this channel. And if you're one of my regulars, my Ageless Crown family, drop a little crown in the comments so I know you're here with me today. Now let's get into it, because today I'm calling out 5 mistakes that so many women over 50 are making without even realizing it. And I mean this with all the love in my heart. I made almost every single one of these myself before I learned better, so no judgment here, just real talk from one queen to another. Stay to the end because mistake number 5 is the one nobody talks about, and it might just be the most important one on this list. Here's the thing, ladies. After 50, our bodies change, our hormones shift, our energy doesn't bounce back the way it used to. And honestly, a lot of the health advice out there was written for women in their 20s and 30s. It just doesn't apply to us anymore. So today, I'm breaking down the mistakes I see over and over again in my own life, in my friends' lives, and in your comments every single week. And I'm giving you simple, doable fixes for each one. Nothing extreme, nothing that requires a gym membership or a green juice cleanse, just real, sustainable changes. If that sounds good to you, smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps this video reach more women just like us. And honestly, you deserve to have this information land in front of you too. So let's go. Mistake number 1, and this is a big one, not doing any strength training. So many of us grew up thinking cardio was the only way to stay healthy, walking, swimming, maybe some yoga. And don't get me wrong, all of that is wonderful. But after 50, we start losing muscle mass naturally. It's called sarcopenia, and it can start as early as our 30s and speeds up significantly after menopause. Here's why that matters. Muscle isn't just about how we look, it's about how we function. Strong muscles protect our joints, support our balance, keep our metabolism humming, and honestly, they're one of the biggest predictors of independence as we age. The fix? You don't need to become a bodybuilder, I promise you that. 2 to 3 short sessions a week with light dumbbells, resistance bands, or even just your own body weight can make a massive difference. Squats, wall push-ups, seated leg lifts, start small and build from there. If you want a full beginner-friendly strength routine, let me know in the comments and I'll make that video next. Seriously, comment strength below and I'll get it done for you. Mistake number 2, chronic, quiet dehydration. This one sneaks up on us. As we age, our sense of thirst actually becomes less reliable, meaning we can be dehydrated and not even feel it. And dehydration after 50 doesn't just mean a dry mouth. It shows up as fatigue, brain fog, headaches, and even joint stiffness that we might blame on just getting older. The fix is refreshingly simple. Aim for consistent sips throughout the day rather than chugging water all at once. Keep a water bottle with you, on your desk, in your bag, by your bed. Some of you swear by adding lemon or cucumber to make it more enjoyable, and honestly, I'm here for that. Quick gut check. Comment below and tell me how much water you think you drink in a day. I want to see your answers, so don't be shy. Mistake number 3, treating sleep like an afterthought. I get it, life is busy, but after 50, especially during and after menopause, sleep can become harder to come by. Hot flashes, waking up at 3 a.m. for no reason, racing thoughts. And here's the problem. Poor sleep doesn't just make us tired, it affects our hormones, our mood, our weight, and even our heart health. So many of us just accept bad sleep as part of aging, but it doesn't have to be that way. A few gentle fixes. Keep your bedroom cool, since our body temperature regulation shifts with hormonal changes. Try to get natural sunlight in the morning to help reset your internal clock. And consider a wind-down routine. Even 10 quiet minutes without a screen can signal to your brain that it's time to rest. If sleep is a struggle for you too, comment tired below. I read every single one and it helps me know what to cover next. Mistake number 4, not eating enough protein. This surprises a lot of women.
We've spent decades being told to eat light or cut calories, but after 50, our protein needs actually go up, not down, largely because of that muscle loss we talked about earlier, and because our bodies become less efficient at using the protein we do eat. Without enough protein, we can end up feeling weak, hungry all the time, and struggling to maintain muscle no matter how much we exercise. The fix isn't complicated. Try to include a source of protein at every meal. Eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, fish, chicken, tofu, whatever fits your lifestyle and preferences. Spreading it throughout the day tends to work better than loading it all into one meal. Okay, be honest with me in the comments. Did today's breakfast have protein in it? Tell me what you ate. I love seeing this stuff. And now, mistake number 5, the one nobody talks about. So many of us were raised to be polite, to not make a fuss, to trust that the doctor knows best and just nod along. And listen, most doctors genuinely want to help us. But here's the hard truth. Symptoms in women over 50 are still under-researched and sometimes dismissed as just menopause or just aging, when something more specific might be going on. The fix is this. Come prepared. Write your symptoms down before your appointment. Ask questions. If something feels dismissed, it is completely okay to ask for further testing or a second opinion. You know your body better than anyone else in that room, and you deserve to be heard, not just heard out. This is the one I wish someone had told me years ago. So if this resonated with you, that's exactly the kind of thing I want you to share with a friend who needs to hear it too. Okay, my queens, let's recap real quick. Strength training, hydration, sleep, protein, and speaking up for yourself. Small shifts, big impact, and you deserve every bit of the energy and vitality that comes from making them. If this video gave you even one thing to think about today, do me a favor, hit that like button. It takes 2 seconds and it means the world to this channel. Drop a comment and tell me which mistake hit closest to home for you. I read and reply to every single one, so don't be shy. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Ageless Crown and turn on that notification bell, because every week we're doing this together. Real talk, real health, no fluff, just women over 50 lifting each other up. You are not fading, ladies. You are just getting started. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, wear that crown high.